we're given here this problem, and the question is, if the system of linear equations above has no solution and k is a constant, what is the value of k? So we're given here a system of linear equations. So graphically, a system of linear equations that has no solution indicates two parallel lines. So when you graph the equations, two linear equations that have no solution, so your graph would look like that. So that means they have the same slopes. So we just have to write each of the equations in slope-intercept form, which is y equals mx plus b, or just the equation of the line. M here is our slope, and b is our y-intercept. So before we set the slopes of these two equations equal to each other, then we just have to simplify each equation. So we have 3/4 x minus 1/2 y equals 12. Let's simplify this and write this in this form, slope-intercept form. So we multiply both sides by 4. This would be, okay, this one cancels out. 4 would be 3x minus 2y equals 48. And then we can write this in the slope-intercept form. We move 3x to the right, it will become negative 3x. Then we divide both sides by negative 2. This cancels out. Then we have y equals 48 minus 3x over negative 2, or just y equals negative 24 plus 3/2 x, or just y equals 3/2x minus 24. So our slope for the first equation is 3/2. Now let's simplify the second equation. So that is kx minus 2y equals 22. So we write this also in the slope-intercept form. This would be minus kx, or negative 2. Y equals negative kx plus 22. We divide both sides by negative 2. This would be y equals k over 2x minus 11. So the slope of our second equation, linear equation, is just equal to m2 is equal to k over 2. So now we have our two slopes. m1 is equal to 3/2, and slope 2 is equal to k over 2. So now we just have to equate, since m1 is equal to m2, therefore 3/2 is equal to k over 2. So multiplying 2 to both sides, we will get 3 equals k. Therefore, the value of k is equal to 3.